Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute Christmas pocket folder or folio. And you also get these papers, you get this printable kit to create this fun Christmas folio. So you can go ahead and download it from the link in the description under the video and then print it on your printer. I recommend using a cardstock to print it. The first page must be printed on both sides, but the rest can be printed on one side. And then you simply cut all the pieces and ink all the edges like I'm doing. So this is the outside, and now you realize why you need to print this piece on both sides, and you need to do that by simply print one side and then insert the page again and print the next page, and it will print it on the other side. So this is the both sides that we printed, and the rest are just printed on one side. You don't need to print them on both sides. So go ahead and ink all the edges. When you ink all the edges, it gives you a really nice definition to the page. It adds a nice dark frame around all the pieces that you use for the folio and adds to that vintage look of the papers. So I'm using Photo Vintage Distress ink. You can use whatever color you have in your stash to ink the edges, whatever type of ink you have. If you don't have ink, you can also do it with paint. So I'm just going to finish inking all the edges. Might take a little bit, you need some patience, but the end result is worth it, believe me. So we're going to fold this piece while that little tab, you see that, is on the left, and we're going to score it at 3 3/4. Let's move these aside. So we're going to score it at 3 3/4 while that little insert tab is on the right. So you align the straight side on the left with 3 3/4, and then we're going to fold it. And this is going to be our first page, and we're going to create pocket because it is a pocket folio. And I want to ink this as well because that fold basically divides that paper piece into 2 pages. So we want to ink the edge on this side as well. So once you have that inked, I'm going to show you how to attach it to our cover or outside paper. Again, that paper, the outside paper, has to be printed on both sides. This is going to be our third page. Again, I'm going to ink that as well. So I've inked all the pockets, and now we can go ahead and assemble it. So this is the outside. We're going to fold this smaller side and attach it to the left. Now, while we attach it, we're going to create a pocket. So we're only going to add glue to the top and the bottom sides. So what happened to my glue? I think I'm going to have to open it. I think it's a little bit stuck. Okay. So apply glue to the top and the bottom only, because we want the side to be completely open so we can form a pocket. We're going to align the fold with the fold on the cover paper, close it together, and now we have a pocket here on the left side that you can insert tags or photos or whatever. Next, we're going to attach our third page to the back of the second page. We don't want that white. So we're basically covering the white part with the third page. And again, because this is a printable kit, when you cut it, if it's a little too small or not too straight, you simply adjust as you go along and as you work. If you need to trim a little bit or straighten some cut that you did, that is completely fine. Okay, so now we have the basic pocket folder ready. We already have one pocket here on the left, just making sure that everything is aligned. And now we're going to attach two more pockets to our folder. Now this folder can stand on its own, or it can be in addition to a junk journal, to a mini album, to a scrapbook. You can use it any way that you want. So now we have some pockets. We have 3 more pockets to add. So we're going to add the first pocket down here on the right side of our vertical pocket. So we're going to apply glue on the bottom and the 2 sides, so the top will be open to create a pocket. I'm going to align it with the sides and the bottom. Then we're going to let it dry while we continue to add the other pockets. Okay, so we're going to attach our next pocket. Again, applying glue on the bottom and on the sides, on the inside page here on the bottom. And then our diagonal pocket is going to go on the back. We're going to apply glue to the straight sides, leaving the diagonal side open. Again, here it's slightly bigger, so I'm going to trim that little corner there. Okay. So basically our pocket folio is ready. You can go ahead and insert whatever you want, embellish the front, embellish the inside, add tags, photos, etc. But if you want your folio to look like this, if you want your folio to be upgraded and look much nicer with all the embellishments in the front and so many more pockets, you can go ahead and become a member of this channel, because all members of this channel get the full kit and the full tutorial on how to complete all the pockets and embellishments and tags of this really pretty pocket folio, especially for Christmas. So if you want to get the full kit with all the embellishments and the extra pockets and the tags and everything, then you can go ahead and click on the join button and join this channel and become a member for only $5 a month and get access to all the perks and freebies that are already there, including this full Christmas pocket folio kit, and then support me so I can keep on adding and uploading more freebie videos on this channel. So you can support me and get all the perks as well and join this channel as a member. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow the tutorials and make the projects. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.